Good evening. Today I show you guys how to do repair the Samsung refrigerator. Normally the Samsung have most of the Samsung they have the problem right here in the twin core. When you see the water down here, the water here, it means on the inside here the eye stuck together and they freeze it because the Samsung refrigerator they have many problems. I search on the Google and it's on the RF26X series. So if you have the same problem, you have to watch this video because after search and I already find out what's wrong. So you can just watch my video and if you handy, if you not just tell somebody they can help you touch it up and you can do it very easily. Take like half an hour and your refrigerator no more eye problem like that because when it new, right, it happened like when it new it happened like the first year it's okay, but after that when you repair and keep repair and every like 3 months or 6 months at maximum. I watched another video, I try what they do, but they never work. They just last a little longer, that's it. And for me, right here is the problem right here. You see, we have the heater from the Samsung right here. And this one go to the hole. So the water can get run through there every 8 hours. Every 8 hours, the automatic defrost, they hit the heat around here about 15 minutes. So the eye can fall down. The eye and run down the water here. So they go through here. But because the Samsung they make the heater not enough, maybe for safe electric or something, I don't know. And I watch all the video what they do, you know, drop something and do something here, no work. And you know what, I buy this cable right here. You see the cable on the eBay, like $20. Yeah. So I connect to the heater thing, the heater wire right here. You see, connect to the heater wire. One here and one here. So two of that. So when the heater every 8 hours the heater turn on. So this wire turn on the heat too. So you can put everywhere you want. See, I have the extra here and extra here, and I put the thing under hole here. So after I do that, in 2 years it never happened again. So that's what I do for the Samsung. Most of the time the problem, they build up the heat not enough. When the defrost, every 8 hour defrost, they not enough heat. That's why the ice still there and the water run all over. It's not working. So I already did mine and worked perfectly. Hopefully help you guys to do. Thank you for watching. That's all So after that, you just clean up and put everything back. The most important for my idea is that wire right here. The wire you buy about the long wire about 100 watts. I will put on the YouTube. You can buy it on the eBay like $20 or $30 and hook up with that wire right here. Do it yourself. Just 2 wire, and when every 8 hour the hit and it will be hit this one up. If speak not very good, but I try to do it good. Thank you.